Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Recently I went on a road trip, quite a lengthy road trip, and I needed a GPS. But however, my GPS had nowhere to go in our older version of our van. So I picked up this great holder from Miracase. Now Miracase was an incredible product. It comes with extra magnets to make your product sit firmly against the holder. So I took the circle one here, and it's super easy to install on the back of our GPS, and that's how sturdy it is. I've bumped it and it hasn't even come off. It's been great. I even use one for the back of my phone, and it's super sturdy. And I like how you don't have to fiddle with a bracket or anything to keep the GPS taking it on, off and on. Like I said, it's been super sturdy, easy to install too. All you have to do is just unscrew this part here and then squeeze this and it comes right out. Fits in all different sizes of vents in your car, and I would have been lost without it because I needed my GPS the whole way there. It was a 24-hour trip. So super happy with this Miracase holder. I know you will too, and that's my point of view.